the hard copies and the submissions that our clerks have presented to the court be considered, because there was very late service, and I believe it's because of the difficulties with the e-filing. It was for quite a while yesterday down, but they should have sent us advance copies. But there was no prejudice, because we managed to see it in good time, as alerted by my learned friend, Ms. Joaquim Bosche. She was trying to file something. When she saw those applications, she called me. I was still reading, and we managed to file our responses to those applications. So we will abide by the directions given by the court, because we had filed all our responses on behalf of the Commission as directed by the Commissioners. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.
Melody, if I may. My name is Kibe Mongai. I appear in petition number 8. I rise in order to speak to two things. Number one is that my learned colleague, Mr. Ngatia, has spoken about a petitioner's further affidavit that he claims was filed and served late. Melody and my lords, this further affidavit was sworn on 28th and served on them before midnight of that day, the Sunday that we were entitled to do our rejoinder. They were served, all of them. But more importantly, the affidavits of the IEBC and Mr. Wafula Chebukati were served on us on Sunday at noon. So that there was a question of the time when our 24 hours was going to run. But despite all that, we filed the affidavit on time and served, but we could not be able to file because there was a problem, and we were told, and the following day when we presented document and we explained, they were admitted, so that he's only referring to the issue of the physical copy. And the original trigger was by IEBC. But we decided not to break bones, and we've not said IEBC served us with anything late. It came on Sunday, and we responded. And therefore, as far as we are concerned, the only issue that we did yesterday, and we filed, but it requires that just to be submitted to the court, are our submissions. But they were still done within the 24 hours, but the system was down. We were told as soon as it is there, file it, and then present. So that as far as we are concerned, all our documents are in place and filed on time. Having finished with that issue of petition 008, it is my hope that no directions may have been given without me getting to know of that issue. But the court will note that there has been correspondence between my office and at least with the registrar with regard to petition number 22, E025, between Kenneth Jagejiro and 10 others versus Honorable William Samoei and Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. May the court note that that petition that was filed on the 5th of August this year relates to the issues of the validity of the nominations of Honorable William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua.
Yes, with utmost humility, Mr. Kibe, we are dealing with Article 140, matters that arose from the dispute on whether the President-elect was validly elected. Those matters were filed before the elections and before the declaration. So you wait for the ruling, it will be delivered.
It will be delivered.
It's a separate matter from what we are dealing with. So let's not go there.
It's okay, my lady. I'll go by that. Thank you.